Pete the Cat's Trip to the Supermarket by Kimberly and James Dean. Pete the Cat's Trip to the Supermarket. Pete and Bob are hungry after a big day of fun at the park. Dad, can we have a snack? Bob asks. Dad checks the fridge. Dad checks the pantry. Dad checks the secret snack nook. We need to buy groceries, says Dad. Let's start to make a list. We need milk, eggs, and fish, and chicken. I want raspberries, says Bob. I want apples, says Pete. Pete, Bob, and Dad make a long list and take it to the supermarket. Oh no, the wind blows the list out of Dad's hand. It's cool, says Pete. I remember the list. I do too, says Bob. First, they stop in Elf's tent. The sign says diary. We need milk, says Pete. And cheese, says Bob, the stinky kind. Next, they go to Elf's 9. Yum, says Dad. I love bacon. Don't forget the chicken, says Pete. They almost pass Elf's 8 when Pete remembers egg. Regular or jumbo? Asks Pete. Jumbo, says Dad. Groovy, says Pete. Bob can't pick between spaghetti and macaroni in L7. How about the bow tie? Says Dad. Asks Dad. Awesome, says Bob. L6 smells fruity. Remember the apples, says Pete. Remember the raspberries, says Bob. In L5, Dad tastes a hot dog. Yummy. In L4, Pete tasted a cupcake. Sweet. Dad lets Pete and Bob choose a treat in L3. Pete picks crackers shaped like fish. Bob picks popcorn. Bro, it's cold in L2. Dad puts a mango popsicle in the cart. L1 has sunflowers, tulips, and blue daisies. Pete and Bob pick tulips for Grandma. She'll love them, says Dad. I think we got everything except the fish, says Dad, but their car is packed with yummy treats. Next time, the end.